Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to track your expenses using the Wally app. If you're tired of losing track of your spending and want a simple way to manage your finances, you're in the right place. Wally is a fantastic, user-friendly app that helps you monitor your expenses in real time, making it easier to stay on top of your budget. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to download the Wally app. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and search for Wally Expense Tracker. Once it's installed, open the app and create a free account. You'll just need to enter your email and set up a password. It's quick and secure. Now that you're logged in, let's set up your expense categories. Wally makes this easy. Tap on the Categories section and add custom ones like groceries, dining out, or entertainment. This helps organize your spending so you can see exactly where your money is going. Next, start adding your expenses. You can do this manually by tapping the plus button, entering the amount, selecting the category, and adding a note or receipt photo if you want. Or, if you're linking your bank account, Wally can automatically import transactions. Just follow the prompts to connect your accounts securely. One of the coolest features is the dashboard view. Here, you can see graphs and charts of your spending habits over time. Set up budgets for each category by going to the Budgets tab, and Wally will send you alerts if you're getting close to your limit. This is a game changer for avoiding overspending. To wrap it up, tracking expenses in Wally is all about building better financial habits. Regularly review your reports, adjust your categories as needed, and use the app's insights to make smarter decisions. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.